Hi guys, let's learn about symmetry. Let's use these magnetic building blocks to make objects that are symmetrical or not symmetrical. I'm going to make an object and you have to guess whether it is symmetrical or not symmetrical. If I put this line in the middle, it's a vertical line. This stick is a vertical line. It is in the middle of the object. The right side, is it exactly the same as the left side? They are exactly the same. That means they are symmetrical. This object has a horizontal line. Notice, if the top is exactly the same as the bottom, they're not the same. That means they're not symmetrical. How can we make it symmetrical? Can you guess? If you said to put a triangle on the top, you are correct. The top is exactly the same as the bottom. It's like a mirror. If you fold the shape and it covers it perfectly, that means it's symmetrical. This shape symmetrical or not? Let's find out. Put a vertical line in the middle. Is the right side the same as the left side? You said yes, you are correct. That means it is symmetrical, because the right side is exactly the same as the left side. And if you fold it, it covers perfectly. Now let's try to make this object not symmetrical. Can you guess? Let's try to remove one shape. Which one would you remove to make it not symmetrical? Let's remove this rhombus. Is it symmetrical? This time, this object is not symmetrical. Why? Because the right side is not the same as the left side. And if you fold it, it doesn't cover perfectly. Move on to this object. Is it symmetrical or not? Let's find out. Put a vertical line in the middle. Is the right side exactly the same as the left side? Yeah, that means it's symmetrical. And if you fold the shape, it covers perfectly. Move on to this object. Is it symmetrical or not? Let's find out. Put a vertical line in the middle. Is the right side exactly the same as the left side? They are not. The shape is not symmetrical. If you fold it, it doesn't cover perfectly. Hope you enjoyed learning symmetry with me. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, and if you want to see more, smash the subscribe button.
Hey guys!
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.